चंबा कितनी शिमले दिया है चंबा कितनी दूर और शिमला ने बसना कसौली है बसना शिमला ने बसना कसौली है बसना चंबा जाना जरूर है चंबा जाना जरूर माहन मेरी शिमला दिया है चंबा कितनी दूर थैंक यू
दीवाना बन गया मैं चाहत में तेरी डूब रहता हूँ आँखों में तेरी दीवाना बन गया मैं चाहत में तेरी अब दिन गुजरते नहीं रातें कटते नहीं तेरी तस्वीर से बातें बनती नहीं तू आजा La 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 इस पल को मिलके आज ही ले जरा Baby I love you Baby I love you Baby I love you so baby I
J'ai dit ton but Kita yang musik itu.
बात है तो उनका एक कॉल आया था मुझे कि आप अच्छे गाते हो और आप अपने वॉइस के ऊपर कुछ पॉलिश करिए और कुछ थोड़ा मेहनत करेंगे तो थोड़ा अच्छा हो सकता है करके। तो उसके बाद मैंने थोड़ा बहुत कोशिश किया, तब जाके मुझे हर कहीं जगह जाने का परफॉर्म करने का मौका मिला। तो उसके लिए शर्मा जी आपको बहुत थैंक यू सो मच। 아니 모든 분들이 사실 스타일을 모두 뒤져나기 위한 것이 다리 오케이 내려주시거나
그 미안들의 고지치기 위해서 내려 약을 따가고 있듯이 이 주산이 고난의 계시고도 살고 아니 까만지 आप few words बोलेंगे
Greetings to you all on the 91st birthday celebration of His Holiness Dalai Lama. It's an absolute honor for me to be here amongst you all. And my God, I never knew that the Tibetans love the Bollywood music so much. You know, I heard Tenzin a while back, and I thought that if there is a Tibetan voice of Bollywood, that is him. And I think we all whether it's Kishore Kumar, Mohammed Rafi, Kumar Sanu, Arijit Singh, he can sing all. And I am suddenly today, and mark my words, that I will definitely be presenting Tenzin right here in Vancouver for a Bollywood concert. I'm not going to say much because I know that you're all waiting to hear Tenzin sing more, and of course I'm going to be waiting to sing it, listen to him. But I have to tell you, I don't know how many of you know, but his little daughter, she is also very melodious, and it will be a treat for you all if you listen to father and daughter sing. Which will happen so. Very pleasant. Thank you, Tenzin. Tenzin deserves also I'm going to give it back to him. I just wanted to tell you, I'm doing a musical theater from Bollywood. This is going to be on 11th of September. Anupam Kher, Saroor Sampad and 15 to 16 other Bollywood artists, they will be doing a musical at the Bell Performing Arts Center. If you are interested, please do come to that. I'm pretty sure you will love it. And then, it's at the Bell Performing Arts Center in Surrey, 64th and 144. And then there is another event which I am doing at Surrey Arts Center, and that is a classical Kathak program with live orchestra. It is going to be on 27th of September feel free to connect me if you are interested. And on that note, I forgot earlier, so I must say that I am giving a present of $500 to the West Coast Trunka, and I wish you all very, very good.